Hey awesome spirits, welcome to another weekly reading by me, Amanda, here at Indigo Spirit. This week I was called to the Indigo Angel Oracle deck again. I know, I'm sorry. Usually I like to use a lot of variety when I do my card readings and whatnot, but unfortunately lately it's been, not unfortunately, why would I say that, but I've been definitely called to the Indigo deck for whatever reason. I know that I am indigo, so sometimes that really just happens to work really, really well. But I'm going to go ahead and just go with the flow like I always do. I'm going to go ahead and breathe, clear the deck. And I'm going to go ahead and sort through it. So let's see what the beginning of the week is going to look like. Ooh, the sun just popped out like crazy. My goodness, see, it's a good sign when, you know, you're doing certain things and fun, naturous things happen. It's like, it's a sign, you know? Let's see. Ooh, this one wants to come out for the beginning of the week. Let's see about our middle of the week. Ooh, well, that one just flew out of the deck, so I guess that's going to be for the middle of the week, you know? Falling cards mean, you know, mean something. So let's see what our weekend is going to look like. I know a lot of us have a 3-day weekend coming up for Labor Day. Some of us don't, that's okay. But for our weekend, ooh, this one wants to come out for the weekend. I feel it. It's electric. So, alrighty, let's start with our beginning of the week. It's another week of divine purpose. What are we doing? Are we going to check in with ourselves? Like, are we following our path? It's definitely like a check-in. Like I'm getting, like check in with yourself. Check in with, you know, your guides. You know, are you rolling the way you're supposed to be rolling, you know, in terms of towards your goal. And if you don't feel like you are, it's really easy to just, you know, be like, guides, please help me move into that direction towards my greater good and my greater goals. But this is definitely like a check-in. Like we need to be checking in with our guides, making, you know, using the end of the week intuition from Archangel Metatron last week, and you know, just checking in with that intuition on your divine purpose, you know, and what, you know, are you in line? Sometimes are you in line? Are you in line with yourself? Are you in line with your goals? That's definitely what I'm getting from that card. It's like, are we in line? You know, centered, you know. Some of us believe in chakras, you know, and there are 7 chakras. And, you know, alignment of the body, that kind of thing, you know. It's like, ooh, I feel like I need to crack my back now all of a sudden, you know. It's like, it's funny. It's like, I feel like, are we in tune with ourselves? Are we in tune with our path? You know, that's what the divine purpose is all about. So then the middle of the week, this one came flying out of the deck, like just flying out of the deck, like I couldn't even control it. It's shielding. And we've had this one before, you know, and a lot of the times everybody's going through their own thing, you know, and we're not always aware, you know, we're aware of our stuff, but we're not always aware of everyone else's stuff. And some people are going to be putting out some negative energy this week, and this week we really need to be shielding ourselves from any negative energy, any and all negative energy. It's really like, you know, just anytime you're feeling frustrated or like, outside forces are, you know, punching me in the face, just imagine a white light around yourself, just like this, you know, just ask your guides, hey, can you please shield me from this crappy energy? Please help me to change my attitude and to feel better and to shield myself, make myself stronger than these other people who are having issues. That's definitely what this is all about, is like, you know, and that's definitely something we need to say to ourselves, you know, shield us from the outside negative energy and help change our attitude to not be affected by it. Because a lot of the time it transfers, and then you get upset and then you're pissed, and it's like, you know, you just don't need that to happen. You need to just sit in your energy. And so we really need to be shielding ourselves this week is essentially what that means. And then for our Labor Day weekend, which everyone please be safe as always. I always say that, please be safe on holiday weekends. Oh God, you guys, this is such a great card. This is like, I just got like so happy from this card. Bam, show appreciation. Make sure you're thanking everybody for everything. Make sure that you really, you know, sit down and appreciate your life, appreciate the people around you. Think about the good things that you have and really go, wow, thanks guides. Thank you guides. Thank you angels. Thank you for letting me have what I have and the people that I have. I'm really showing appreciation to the people around you. There's going to be a lot of Labor Day parties this weekend, you know, like love everyone. This is like show mass appreciation for everyone else, you know, and make sure that you're appreciating yourself and your energy and what you do, because shielding all week can be tiring, you know, and it's just like, hey, you know, I appreciate that I had, you know, help from my guides. I appreciate what I do for myself. But most of all, like, show appreciation for everyone and everything around you. Just be super grateful this weekend. Really take the time to show love and give love where you need to give love. Holy mackerel, this is a fantastic week. I just get nothing but good vibes off this week. So using our intuition from the end of last week with Archangel Metatron and really going, am I on the right path? And if you feel like you are, be like, continue to help me, thank you. You know, showing appreciation all week is not gonna hurt either. But really working on yourself again in terms of like, am I on the right path? Okay, just check it in, alignment, you know what's up, shielding yourself from negative energy, outside sources, and making sure that you're not letting yourself be affected and changed by that outside energy, shielding. And of course, this weekend, show appreciation. So as much as you can, love everyone around you. This is just a really fantastic card reading. Really, it just put me in like such a good mood all of a sudden. Now I'm in like the most fantastic mood in the whole world. So I hope everybody has a fantastic week. Please be safe this weekend. If you're going to any gatherings or anything, please be safe. And everyone have a fantastic week. Indigo blessings. Mwah.